Hello, welcome to my channel, the Classmate Online. I'm your Classmate Online. So today we're gonna talk about the 50 verbs in English, 50 common verbs in English. So leo tutakwenda kuongelea kuhusu verbs 50 za Kiingereza. Pia tutakwenda kusema kwa neno ya kwanza itakuwa nitakuwa nasema neno kisha hapo nasema mara mbili, naenda mara mbili, sentence in present. Present ni kama at this moment, muda ambao tuko naongelea sasa hivi, muda ambao tuko nao sasa hivi. Past ni kitu ambacho kimeshapita, kama niliongea. Kama unataka kujua zaidi, kuna video ambayo niliposti kama ni wiki ngapi ambazo zimepita hapo kuhusiana present, past na future. Unaweza kaandika kwenye profile yangu hivi, utaiona hizo video. Ni karibuni video 3 ama 2 ama 4 hivi, so ambapo tumeongelea kuhusu hivi. Na pia tulikuwa na verb 50. Leo sasa nakuja kuziletea sentences, tunakuja kuziletea sentences. Na pia nimezileta huu muundo ili uweze usiwe na karaa ya kusema eti mpaka uangalie. Unaweza ukasikiliza tu, upatie headphone yako kwenye masikio yako, pia wakati uko unapika, wakati uko kazini, wakati uko unatembea, wakati una drive, wakati uko unafanya kitu chochote tu unaweza ukasikiliza. Pia ujitahidi sana kushadowing. Shadowing ni kama vile listen and repeat. Make sure unasikiliza na unarudilia kitu ambacho nimeongea. Pia ukisikia neno unaweza ukaongeza msemo mbele yake. Kwa mfano nikisema I'm tired, unaweza ukasema I'm tired because I work a lot. Unaweza ukaongezea hivi. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Our first verb is be. Be. I'm tired. I'm tired. I was tired. I was tired. I will be tired. I will be tired. Have. Have. I have a book. I have a book. I had a book. I had a book. I will have a book. I will have a book. Do. I do my homework. I do my homework. I did my homework. I did my homework. I will do my homework. I will do my homework. Say. You say nice things. You say nice things. You said nice things. You said nice things. You will say nice things. You will say nice things. Go. Go. We go to school. We go to school. We went to school. We went to school. We will go to school. We will go to school. Can. Can. I can help you. I can help you. I could help you. I could help you. I will be able to help you. I will be able to help you. Get. Get. He gets up early. He gets up early. He got up early. He got up early. He will get up early. He will get up early. Make. Make. She makes lunch. She makes lunch. She made lunch. She made lunch. She will make lunch. She will make lunch. Alright guys, hizo hapo ni 8 kama gisi unavyosikiliza. Kama uko na unaweza ukatunga sentences na ukapiga ukatia kwenye comment hapo, utakwenda kuzisoma. Pia make sure gisi niko naongea na unaenda na wewe naongea, unakwenda na practice yako English, unakwenda na practice pronunciation. So I know niko faster kwa sababu sitaki nichukue muda mwingi kuongelea hivi, ndio maana niko haraka haraka, lakini nitajitahidi niwe naenda mara ya kwanza naenda polepole, mara ya pili naenda mbio mbio, maana nilikuwa narudia mara mbili. Okay, let's continue. No. No. I know the answer. I know the answer. I knew the answer. I knew the answer. I will know the answer. I will know the answer. Think. 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 They think a lot. They think a lot. They thought a lot. They thought a lot. They will think a lot. They will think a lot. Take, take, take. I take the bus. I take the bus. I took the bus. I took the bus. I will take the bus. I will take the bus. See, see. I see a bird. I see a bird. I saw a bird. I saw a bird. I will see a bird. I will see a bird. Come, come. He comes home late. He comes home late. He came home late. He came home late. He will come home late. Will come home late. Want, want. I want a sandwich. I want a sandwich. I wanted a sandwich. I wanted a sandwich. I will want a sandwich. I will want a sandwich. Look, look, look at this. Look at this. I looked at it. I looked at it. I will look at it. I will look at it. Use, use. She uses the phone. She uses the phone. She used the phone. She used the phone. She will use the phone. She will use the phone. Find, find. We find it funny. We find it funny. We found it funny. We found it funny. We will find it funny. We will find it funny. Give, give. They give the gift. They give the gift. They gave the gift. They gave the gift. They will give the gift. They will give the gift. Tell, tell. I tell the truth. I tell the truth. I told the truth. I told the truth. I will tell the truth. I will tell the truth. Work, work. I work hard. I work hard. I worked hard. I worked hard. I will work hard. I will work hard. Call, call. She calls me. She calls me. She called me. She called me. She will call me. She will call me. Try, try. Try your best. Try your best. I tried my best. I tried my best. I will try my best. I will try my best. Ask, ask. I ask a answer. I ask a question. I ask a question. I asked a question. I asked a question. I will ask a question. I will ask a question. Need, need. We need help. We need help. We needed help. We needed help. We will need help. We will need help. Feel, feel. I feel happy. I feel happy. I felt happy. I felt happy. I will feel happy. I will feel happy. Live, live. I live at 5. I live at 5. I left at 5. I left at 5. I will leave at 5. I will leave at 5. Put, put. She puts the cup down. She put the cup down. She put the cup down. She put the cup down. Put waga geuki, past iko vile vile na present iko vile vile na future itakuwa vile vile, lakini past kwa sababu tunazungumzia mtu mmoja hapa, tuko na put with s iko mwisho. Put. She will put the cup down. She will Put the cup down. Mean. Mean. What does it mean? What does it mean? What did it mean? What did it mean? What will it mean? What will it mean? Keep. Keep. I keep a diary. I keep a diary. Keep. Keep. I keep a secret. I keep a secret. I kept a secret. I kept a secret. I will keep a secret. I will keep a secret. Let. Let. Let me know. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. He'll let me go. He let me go. He let me go. He will let me go. He will let me go. Begin. Begin. I begin now. I begin now. I began. I began. I began. I will begin tomorrow. I will begin tomorrow. Help. Help. I helped my friend. I helped my friend. I helped my friend. I helped my friend. I will help my friend. I will help my friend. Talk. Talk. We talk every day. We talk every day on Classmates Online. We talk every day. We talked yesterday. We talked yesterday. We will talk later. We will talk later. Turn. Turn. I turned off the light. I turned off the light. I turned it off. I turned it off. I will turn it off. I will turn it off. Start. Start. They start the game. They start the game. They started the game. They started the game. They will start the game. They will start the game. Show. Show me the way. Show me the way. Show it me the way. Show it me the way. She will show me the way. She will show me the way. Play. Play. Kids play outside. Kids play outside. Kids played outside. Kids played outside. Kids will play outside. Kids will play outside. Run. Run. He runs fast. He runs fast. He ran fast. He ran fast. He will run fast. He will run fast. Move. Move. I moved the table. I moved the table. I moved the table. I moved the table. I will move the table. I will move the table. Like. Like. I like pizza. I like pizza. I liked pizza. I liked pizza. I will like the pizza. I will like pizza. Live. Live. I live in Congo. I live in Congo. I live in Congo. I lived in Congo. I lived in Congo. I will live in Congo. I will live in Congo. Believe. 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 I believe you. I believe in you. I believed in you. I believed in you. I will believe you. I will believe you. Hold. Hold. Hold me. Hold me back. Hold me back. He held my hand. He held my hand. He will hold my hand. He will hold my hand. Bring, 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 bring your bag. Bring your bag. I brought my bag. I brought my bag. I will bring my bag. I will bring my bag. Happen, happen. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What will happen? What will happen? Write, write. I write a letter. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. I will write a letter. I will write a letter. Sit. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. He will sit down. He will sit down. Stand. Stand. I stand up. I stand up. I stood up. I stood up. I will stand up. I will stand up. Lose. Lose. I lose my pen. I lose my pen. I lost my pen. I lost my pen. I will lose my pen. I will lose my pen. Pay. Pay. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. I will 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 pay the bill. Okay, I hope ulifurahia hii lesson. Kama ulifurahia, make sure una subscribe, kulike na kucomment pia na kushare. Jitahidi sana uwe na share na watu pia. Niseme tu hapa ndo tunaanza, hapa ndo mwanzo. Tuko na mambo mengi ambayo tutakwenda kupitia, mambo mengi tutakwenda kusoma every single vocabulary in English tutakwenda kusoma kwenye hii channel, na pia kama kisi nilivyosema ni channel ambao kama unaongea Kiswahili unataka kufahamu Kiingereza, hii ndo best channel yako sasa. So make sure una subscribe, kulike na comment. You won't lose it. Usipoteze, hautapoteza. Ili usipotezi channel hii tena ukaanza kujiuliza ile channel wanahitaji, hii channel wanaita Classmate Online. Classmate Online tunatoa ushirikiano wowote ule, na pia email yangu nimeshaitoa kwenye video nyingi, unaweza ukaiona. Pia kwenye nitakwenda kuiandika hapo chini, utakwenda kuipata. So make sure you subscribe. See ya, na wapenda nyote. Bye.